Don't give up on your purpose. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Oh, we are soaring high. It's a beautiful day. What a wonderful day to focus inward on your dreams and your goals. First, I'd like to offer you a special gift. We are giving away a free test. I know that doesn't sound like a gift, but this test will help you understand your law of attraction abilities and what you need to work on. It's absolutely free, and you can take it by visiting lawofattractionsolutions.com/quiz. That's lawofattractionsolutions.com/quiz. Take the free test and find out what kind of a manifester you really are. Don't give up on your purpose. Oh, I have to take a breath when I say that. Your purpose is perhaps the most important thing in your life. Because without your purpose, there may not be that love for family. Without your purpose, there may not be that love for your children or your relationship. Without purpose, you may not be doing what you deeply desire to do. You see, Stephen Covey, the late great Stephen Covey, used to ask a question, and I ask the same question. Here it is. Your last day on earth. You're lying in your deathbed. The doctor says you have about 24 hours. What is it that you wish you would have done more of? Do you wish you would have spent more time at the office? Do you wish you would have spent more time watching infomercials on television? Do you wish you would have spent more time reading dime store novels? Of course not. You wish you would have spent more time loving, giving love, attracting abundance into your life so that you have a legacy to give to others, leaving a permanent imprint on your family, your friends, your community, and your world. Look, we're all going to venture away from this earthly plane. Some of us soon, some of us later, but it will happen to all of us very, very soon because life is very, very short. And so, what do you want your life to mean? That's your purpose. If you knew you couldn't fail, what would you do with your life? That's your purpose. If you knew you couldn't fail, what would you do? If you knew that money was no object, what would you do? If money was no object, what would you do? High flyers, listen to me. You are here to love, to live fully, to live completely. And before you leave, to leave a legacy. Completely love, your life filled with love, loving your work, loving your friends, loving your family. Passionately in love with life. Say it. I am passionately in love with life. Write it right down below here. I am passionately in love with life. To live, to really squeeze every last drop of life out of that sponge, so that on your last day, you have no regrets. Oh, sure, there may have been things you wanted to do. There may have been places you wanted to see, but you know that you have lived a complete and full life, and you're satisfied. And to leave a legacy. To teach what you have learned. Oh, you've gone through heartbreak. You've gone through challenges. But you can take that knowledge and share it with others. Don't give up on your purpose. Don't give up on your mission. Don't give up on your dreams. Fulfill your soul. Starting right now, right now. Money is not an object. You cannot fail. You can only learn what not to do in the future. I said it. There it is. Oh, yeah. You can only learn what not to do in the future. There is no failure in life. There is only feedback. So many wonderful human beings who have left a huge legacy have, quote, failed their way to success. It's feedback. It tells you how to shift, how to change it a little bit the next time around. So right now, focus deeply on your deepest desires. And if you don't know what you desire in your life, what your purpose is, isn't it time you found out? I mean, if you're over 15 years of age, isn't it time you know? This is why I'm here. This is what my purpose is. This is my mission. This is my reason for living. Move forward confidently in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Don't give up on your purpose. Love your purpose. Love your mission. Love the direction you are going, because you are attracting an incredible, resourceful, abundant future filled with love, filled with life, a future that will leave a legacy. Have a great day now, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.